Welcome to World Model Vibes. Today, we celebrate the story of Maria Jose, a stunning and confident model from Los Angeles, California. Her journey is more than just about fashion, it's about embracing beauty in every form and inspiring women everywhere to believe that confidence has no size. From her early days in Los Angeles, Maria Jose always dreamed of breaking barriers in the modeling world. She entered an industry that often defined beauty too narrowly, but she chose to redefine it. When she first stepped onto the runway, she didn't just walk, she made a statement. Her confidence, grace, and powerful energy captured every spotlight. Maria Jose showed that true style comes from within, and that every curve can tell a beautiful story. In those early years, Maria Jose faced challenges that tested her passion and purpose. There were moments of doubt, criticism, and rejection, but she never allowed them to silence her spirit. Instead, she turned every no into motivation, every obstacle into opportunity. She learned that success in modeling isn't just about appearance, it's about resilience, self-belief, and patience. With every step, she grew stronger, transforming her dream into a mission to represent women who deserve to be seen, respected, and celebrated. As time went on, her determination began to attract the attention of photographers, agencies, and stylists who saw something different in her: authenticity. Maria Jose's natural confidence and effortless elegance made her stand out in a crowd. She wasn't just another model, she was a voice for a new generation of women, bold, fearless, and unapologetically real. Her early collaborations opened doors to bigger opportunities, and slowly, the world began to recognize her as one of the most inspiring faces in modern fashion. Maria Jose's influence extends far beyond the runway. On social media, she connects with a global audience who look up to her for style, inspiration, and self-love. Her feed is a blend of high-fashion moments, behind-the-scenes glimpses, and empowering messages that remind women to embrace their individuality. Through her presence online, she's not just modeling clothes, she's modeling confidence, authenticity, and empowerment for millions who follow her journey. Known for her fearless approach to fashion, Maria Jose often turns heads with her bold outfit choices. From daring bikini shoots to elegant, body-hugging gowns, she showcases her confidence with unapologetic grace. Her style challenges stereotypes and celebrates the beauty of real, curvy women. Every post she shares sends a message that being bold isn't about seeking attention, it's about owning your power and expressing who you truly are. Her daring looks have become a symbol of empowerment, inspiring countless women to embrace their own version of beauty. Behind the glitz and glamour, Maria Jose leads a life grounded in discipline and self-care. She begins her mornings with mindfulness and fitness, believing that confidence starts from within. Between shoots and brand meetings, she spends time connecting with her family, exploring new fashion trends, and working on personal growth. With passion and perseverance, Maria Jose's career began to soar. From local fashion shows to global campaigns, she brought her unique charm to every frame. She collaborated with designers who believed in diversity and inspired thousands of women to love their natural bodies. Through every photo shoot, she proved that confidence is not a trend, it's a lifestyle. Her success became a movement, one that celebrates strength, beauty, and authenticity. Beyond the runway, Maria Jose lives a life full of elegance and adventure. Her social presence radiates luxury, positivity, and self-expression. Whether she's rocking a high-fashion gown, a casual chic look, or a bold bikini shoot, she owns it with grace and confidence. Every frame she appears in tells the world that glamour isn't about perfection, it's about passion, attitude, and self-love. Her life is a balance of hard work, creativity, and joy, the essence of a true modern-day icon. Maria Jose's journey reminds us that beauty isn't measured by numbers or shapes. It's defined by the confidence to love yourself, just as you are. Her message is simple yet powerful: be proud of your body, your style, and your story. Because confidence will always be the most stunning outfit you can wear. This is the story of Maria Jose, a woman who turned her dreams into a statement and her confidence into a legacy. If her journey inspires you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to World Model Vibes for more stories celebrating beauty, fashion, and empowerment. Remember, fashion fades, but confidence never goes out of style.